My name is Tuhin, and today I have come up with a new video on managing Python versions using Pyenv. So why should you use Pyenv? So if you are working with Python for some time, you often seen a requirement to have different Python versions for different projects, and switching between the different Python versions is quite a requirement. And managing Python versions using Pyenv is one of the cleanest and most flexible ways to install and switch between multiple Python versions within your system. So benefits of using Pyenv is installing multiple versions of Python, switching between the different Python versions globally or per project seamlessly, and avoiding messing up with your system Python. So for installation for Windows, best approach is using PowerShell, and you can use that particular command given here. And there is another approach is that directly using git clone. And once that installation is complete, then you need to add it to the path variable. So for Mac, best approach of using Pyenv is installing it through brew. So you can run the command brew install Pyenv, and then again you need to add it to the environment variable inside ZSHRC. And once you add those variables, don't forget to run that command source /.ZSHRC. Now for installing a particular Python version is quite simple. In Pyenv, you can simply run that particular command pyenv install the Python version. So here is 3.11.9. Let's see it in demo. So this is the command that you need to run in order to install specific Python version. I am not running that because it will take some time, and this version is already installed in my system. But to know what are the versions are installed in your system, you just simply need to run the command pyenv versions. So you can see I have three different versions are installed, that is 3.11.9 and 3.12.4 and 3.12.11, and current version set is 3.12.11. correct? Now if you want to set any specific version and as a global version, then we need to run pyenv global 3.12.4. now if we again run that pyenv versions, you see that Python version is now set to 3.12.4. right? Now I'll show you how to set Python within a particular directory or for a particular project. Let's create a directory called Pyenv demo. So directory has been created. Now we will set some Python version for that particular directory. So for that we need to run pyenv local 3.11.9, and now if I check the version, it will show that it's 3.11.9 set and set for that particular folder. Okay, Pyenv demo. Now if we go back to our previous folder, now if we run the command again, you see the current version is set as 3.12.4 and it is active inside that particular folder with my user folder. Okay, so few more additional commands that I would like to show you. We have already discussed about that those commands, and if you want to explore more, you can additionally try running pyenv install 3.10.6, but just to check that another version, install another version of Python. And if you want to activate specific Python versions within a virtual environment, you can try running pyenv virtualenv 3.10.6 and this will create a new virtual environment, and then you can activate that virtual environment. Now I'll show you some additional commands for Pyenv. If you want to know what all different commands are supported for Pyenv, you can simply run Pyenv and you can see these are different versions are supported. Okay, and you can try out all these commands, but what are the most used commands that I have already shown you, and how to switch between different versions globally and locally. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.